Now, nearly 2,300 people are now known to have died in Venezuela's devastating earthquakes. But among the tragedy, there has been an incredible story of hope. It was last Wednesday, on June the 24th, that the twin earthquakes hit the epicenters both in Venezuela. On Sunday, in La Mar, in the state of La Guaira, rescuers first discovered security guard Hernán Alberto Gil Flores buried under the wreckage. Today, following a complex operation, he was freed from the rubble he'd been trapped under for 8 days.
This was a moment of salvation for one man and of celebration for an entire country. Hernán Gil Flores was taken straight to a waiting ambulance after defying the odds and death for 8 days. This week, we'd followed the story of his rescue. From the first images inside the collapsed underground car park
Muy bien, Hernán.
to the latest video today showing just how confined he was. His battered face, a symbol of survival.
Entonces le decíamos de que no lo íbamos a dejar. Algunas personas nos decían, algunos grupos de rescate que llegaban, nos decían, pues ustedes están locos, ¿de dónde se están metiendo? Entonces decíamos, oye, sí, estaremos locos, pero no lo vamos a dejar.
This is the rescue no one thought possible this long after the earthquake. It is testament both to the determination of these crews, but also to the spirit of one man who refused to give up hope. His wife held vigil outside all week, stoically watching the unfolding drama.
Bueno, primero fue días de tristeza, dolor, desesperación porque no lo encontraban. Quería saber si no sabía si estaba vivo, si estaba muerto, si estaba herido o si se lo habían llevado por allí a un hospital. Pero después que me enteré que él estaba vivo, bueno, ya vi un rayito de luz en tanta oscuridad.
Hernán, fala conmigo. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
Video released today shows how rescuers had initially been able to talk to him through a wall of debris, confirming he was unable to move, but that he was alive.
¿Se tomó todo el líquido que le dieron?
They managed to open a hole small enough to get fluids to him. Teams from half a dozen countries have been involved in this perilous operation. 8 days of battling crumbling masonry, aftershocks and stifling heat. They persisted where at times it seemed impossible. Whether his survival is ascribed to divine intervention or human ingenuity, for many in Venezuela, this is the miracle they needed. Dan Rivers, News at 10, La Guaira.